These are kind of finely tuned athletes, and you can only compete at the highest level, for short periods of time. I mean, like anything you do, whether it's work, play, you can kind of focus. It takes an extreme level of concentration. Forget the physical kind of expenditure. It's a lot of mental expenditure as well, concentration that you can only do for a limited amount of time. So they really need to kind of decompensate or relax afterwards because it's been such a focused period.
The way athletes wind down after the games is very different for different athletes. There are some athletes that need to do nothing for a period of weeks. There are some athletes that after a week of doing nothing have to do something physical. So the goal is to have them do something else that they enjoy. Maybe to spend some time out of the boat, to run, to cross-train, to cycle, to swim, and just take a break from the intensity of the sport. And post-Olympics, the national team coaches generally will give the athletes a month or 6 weeks.
What I recommend to athletes is relative rest or activity modification. So, for example, if you play a throwing sport and it involves using your upper extremity over and over every day, rest from activities that involve throwing or using that part of the body. You can still do cardiovascular exercise, you can train other parts of the body, but taking a period off to let that one part of the body that sees the most stress and load have time to recover is important, and that can help minimize the risk of developing overuse injuries even after training.